journey through time and gears. Welcome back to our channel, Time Travelers. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of steampunk. Get ready to explore a realm where Victorian aesthetics meet futuristic technology. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an adventure. Let's get started. What is steampunk? Steampunk is a subgenre of science fiction that combines elements of the Victorian era with futuristic technology. It's a world where steam power reigns supreme, and gears, cogs, and brass are the building blocks of innovation. Steampunk is not just limited to literature, it has inspired fashion, art, and even music. The origins of steampunk. The term steampunk was coined in the late 1980s, but its roots can be traced back to the works of authors like Jules Verne and H.G. Wells. Their stories of fantastic inventions and alternate histories laid the groundwork for the steampunk genre we know today. Steampunk in literature. Steampunk literature often features alternate histories, where steam-powered technology has advanced far beyond what was possible in the Victorian era. Some popular steampunk novels include The Difference Engine by William Gibson and Bruce Sterling, Mortal Engines by Philip Reeve, and Perdido Street Station by China Miéville. Steampunk in fashion. Steampunk fashion is a blend of Victorian-era clothing and futuristic accessories. Think corsets, top hats, and goggles, all adorned with gears and cogs. Steampunk fashion has become increasingly popular, with events like the Steampunk World's Fair showcasing the best in steampunk attire. Steampunk in art and design. Steampunk art often features intricate machinery, clockwork, and steam-powered contraptions. Artists like H.R. Giger and Kazuhiko Nakamura have created stunning steampunk-inspired pieces. Steampunk in music. In design, steampunk elements can be found in everything from furniture to architecture. Steampunk music is an eclectic mix of genres, including industrial, folk,